Good morning, students. It's your maths class and I'm your maths teacher. Welcome you all in your 9th class. So let's start our new book. It's your 9th class book and our first chapter of this book is matrices and determinants. So today in this video we will discuss some definitions regarding matrices and their types. So let's start our lesson today. Our first definition is matrices. What are matrices? As we have already learned in class 8 that matrices are a rectangular array or a formation of a collection of real numbers, say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to so on, and then enclosed by square bracket. So students, for matrices we use only square bracket. No round bracket, no curly bracket, only square bracket will be used to represent matrices. And matrices क्या है? ये आपके पास arrangement है numbers की और वो number किस में enclosed होते हैं? Square bracket में. So you have to write the definition and one example. Then there are some kinds or types of matrices. Before we discuss the types, we will see what are called rows and columns of a matrices. So the horizontal numbers or arrangement of number is called row and the vertical arrangement of number is called column. So in this matrix it's called column, C1, C2 yani column 1, column 2, and it's called row, row 1 and row 2. So let's discuss our types of matrices. Number 1 is equal matrices. When two matrices will be called equal, there are two conditions. Number 1 is their order should be equal. What is an order? So let's discuss first the order of a matrix. The number of rows and columns in a matrix specify its order. किसी भी matrix में, for example, you have a matrix A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to mention the number of rows and number of columns. When you write m into n, m shows number of rows and n shows number of columns. So in this matrix there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So the order of matrix is 2 by 3. So first condition for equal matrices that their order should be equal. उनका order यानी number of rows and columns equal होना चाहिए. Second condition is their corresponding entries are equal. उनकी जो entries mean the numbers which are written under the square bracket should equal. For example, there are two matrices A and B. Both the matrices will be equal on the basis of two conditions. Number 1 is that their order should be equal. For example, in A, the order is 2 by 2. In B, again the order is 2 by 2. So our first condition is satisfied. The second condition is that their corresponding elements or entries should be equal. So here, all the corresponding entries are equal. So both the matrices are equal. So according to these few definitions, we have our exercise 1.1. The first exercise, the first question is just find the order of the following matrices. As we have discussed in the previous example that order of a matrix mean number of rows and columns. So students, you have to count the rows and columns and then write the order of these matrices. For example, in E, there are 3 rows and 2 columns. So order of matrix E is 3 by 2. In second question, which of the following matrices are equal? For equal matrices, we have learned two conditions. Number 1 is that we have to so according to the condition, we have to see how many of these matrices have same order and their corresponding entries are equal. For example, in A, there is only one number which is 3. So order of this matrix is 1 by 1. And in C, when we subtract 2 from 5, we get 3. Again, both the elements are same plus their order is same, so these two matrices are equal. In the same way, you have to find which of these matrices are equal.